Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by gathering the kit's reagents, test tube, color chart, and a clean sample container because contamination ruins the reading. Fill the tube with 10 ml of the water sample, use the syringe or measured mark, and cap it. Once done, add the specified number of reagent drops exactly as the instructions state. This starts the chemical reaction that reveals nitrate concentration. Make sure to note temperature and time. Those affect reaction speed and final color, so you now control timing and mixing to get a valid result. After adding reagents, cap and invert gently 3 to 5 times. Don't shake vigorously because bubbles scatter light and skew the color. Start a timer and let the reaction develop for the exact interval the kit specifies. Reaction kinetics determine the final hue. Once the wait is over, set the tube on a white background in consistent light and compare to the color chart immediately. Small delays can shift perceived concentration. You finish by matching the tube color to the chart and recording the mg/L, ppm value and test conditions. If the color falls between 2 shades, average them or run a duplicate and report the mean. For very high readings, dilute the sample 1/2 and multiply the result accordingly. If colors are muddy or inconsistent, check reagent expiry dates and repeat with fresh reagents. Contamination or expired chemicals are the most common failure. Keep a log so trends reveal real changes versus test noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.